Welcome to Mosaic Quarterly. Every quarter, we'll share a quick look at what we've been building. You know, the short version, just the good stuff. And this one's special. Mosaic just officially launched. So, welcome to the very first Mosaic Quarterly. Okay, let's start with setup. We redesigned the onboarding wizard to be faster and simpler. Page kits are now part of the flow, so instead of starting from a blank page, you begin with a small multi-page site structure. Layouts, styles, sometimes even animations are already there, which is a much better starting point when you're building a theme. You start with a real layout system instead of just some random sections. We also reviewed the entire library, which, was a bit of a project, but most elements now have cleaner semantics, improved class structures, and better defaults. The style variable system also got a major upgrade. Variables now support backgrounds, typography, and shadows as well. Though the biggest improvement might be the workflow, you can preview and apply variables directly in the editor without leaving the canvas. Everything is handled through the interface, so there's no custom CSS required. Dynamic data also got a big upgrade. We expanded ACF support with more field types, like media, relational fields, repeaters, maps, and date pickers. Mosaic now only shows dynamic data that makes sense for the element you're working on, so you won't see irrelevant fields. This makes building dynamic layouts faster and a lot more intuitive. We also added a few smaller but really useful improvements. There's now a dedicated list element for structured content, and the code element got an upgrade too. Now it supports syntax highlighting and variable insertion. I know. Finally, readable code. On the UI side, we shipped quite a few improvements as well. The style panel is now collapsible, giving you more room to work on the canvas. The conditions interface also got an update. The UI is much clearer, which makes building conditional layouts easier. And there are lots of smaller improvements across the editor that make the whole experience smoother. Alright, that's Mosaic Quarterly for Q1 2026. And just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who tested Mosaic during the beta. You helped us break quite a few things, which helped us fix them. Now, if you're curious about what's coming next, check the roadmap to see what we're planning for Q2. Links in the description. Okay, see you guys next quarter.